good morning to all. Today we will revise our lessons, our first day lessons once again. So, which is our first lesson? Yes, our national symbols. We know that this lesson about our national symbols we already learned, and also we should write, we already write our lessons notes in our notebook, and we already face then appear a test paper for this lesson. We all studied well this lesson. Okay, we will revise once again for our second terminal examination. So our national symbols. Okay, so we know that our national symbols. So, in which country we live? Yes, we know. In which country we live? Yes, India. In India, in which state we live? We live in Kerala. Then, in which district we live? We live in Kollam district. Okay. So, we will once again we will start our lesson. So, we know that our national symbols. These national symbols. Why we use our national symbols? These national symbols tells us about the values, culture, heritage and tradition of our country. Values, culture, heritage and tradition of our country. Okay. Then we know that which are our national symbols we learn. Yes, our national symbols are first one our national flag. National flag, national emblem, national flag, national emblem, then national anthem, then national song, national anthem, national song, then national anthem, national song, then national bird, national animal, then national bird, national bird, national tree, then national flower, then national river, then national river, national tree, national flower, national river, national fruit. These are our national symbols. First one, national flag, national emblem, national anthem, national song, national animal, then national bird, national tree, national flower, national river and national fruit. First of all, we should learn about national flag. It is our national flag. We know that tricolor or Tiranga. Is our national flag. Tricolor or Tiranga is our national flag. Then we know about our national flag. Our national flag is also known as tricolor or Tiranga. Then it symbolizes the national freedom and unity. It symbolizes national freedom and unity. Freedom and unity. It symbolizes our national flag is also known as tricolor or Tiranga. It symbolizes freedom and unity. It symbolizes freedom and unity. Okay, then we know that the shape of our national flag, it is rectangular in shape. The shape of our national flag is rectangular shape. It consists of three rectangular bands. Each rectangular band has their own colors. First of all, saffron on the top, then white on the middle, then at the bottom it is green color. Okay. Then white saffron at the top, white at the middle, green at the bottom. Then in the middle portion we can see a circular shape. That is wheel of Dharma or Dharma Chakra. It is called the Ashoka Chakra. The Ashoka Chakra consists of 24 spokes. The Ashoka Chakra consists of 24 spokes. These 24 spokes gives the continuous growth of our country. It gives the continuous growth of our country. Okay. Then each color is the symbol. First one, saffron. Saffron is the symbol for sacrifice. Symbol of sacrifice. White color is the symbol for peace and then peace, truth and peace. Then green color is the symbol for prosperity. Green color is the symbol for prosperity. Green color is the symbol for prosperity. White color is the symbol for truth and peace. Then saffron is the symbol for sacrifice. Okay. Saffron is the symbol for what? Sacrifice. Okay. Once again, about our national flag. This is our national flag. Yes, tricolor or Tiranga is our national flag. Then our national flag or Tiranga is symbolizes our country, freedom. Then our national freedom and unity of our country. Then we know that our tricolor or Tiranga consists of a rectangular shape. Then the rectangular shape consists of three rectangular bands. Each rectangular band have their own color. On the top it is saffron, on the middle it is white, on the bottom it is green. Then the saffron is the symbol of sacrifice. Then white color is a symbol for truth and peace. Then green color is a symbol for prosperity. Green color is a symbol for what? Prosperity. Then on the middle portion, in the white color, we can see what? There is a wheel of Dharma or Dharma Chakra. That is called Ashoka Chakra. Then inside the Ashoka Chakra, there are spokes present. There are 24 spokes inside the Ashoka Chakra. That 24 spokes gives the continuous growth of our country. Okay. All of you understood about our national flag? Yes. Next one, our national emblem. Next, about our national emblem. It is our national emblem. Yes, the lion, capital of Ashoka. The lion, capital of Ashoka is our national emblem. This is our national emblem. Yes, the lion, capital of Ashoka. The lion, capital of Ashoka. The lion, capital of Ashoka. The lion, capital of Ashoka is our national emblem. Then in the national emblem we can see four Asiatic lions. Standing back to back in a circular base. Then it gives or it symbolizes what? It is a symbol. The Asiatic lion is a symbol for power, courage, confidence and pride. The four Asiatic lions are the symbol for power, then courage, then confidence and pride. Okay, the lion, capital of Ashoka is our national emblem. Then the national emblem consists of four Asiatic lions back to back in a circular base. The lion, Asiatic lion is a symbol for power, courage, confidence and pride. Then next we can see there are other animals on the lion capital of Ashoka. 4 animals. First of all, an elephant. Then an elephant, a bull, then a lion, and an elephant, a bull, a lion and a horse. These 4 animals also present on the lion capital of Ashoka. An elephant, a bull, a lion and a horse. Then we can see there is a word written on the bottom of the lion capital of Ashoka or our national emblem, that is called Satyameva Jayate. It is called Satyameva Jayate. What is the word written on the bottom of the lion capital of Ashoka? That is Satyameva Jayate. Satyameva Jayate. Satyameva Jayate. Satyameva Jayate. What is the meaning of Satyameva Jayate? Truth alone triumphs. Truth alone triumphs. Truth alone triumphs. What is the meaning of the word Satyameva Jayate? Truth alone triumphs. Truth alone triumphs is the meaning of the word Satyameva Jayate. Satyameva Jayate. Okay. So, in this lesson we already learned about our national symbols. First national symbol is national flag. So, the national flag is tricolor or tiranga. Then the national flag is our tricolor or tiranga. Then the tricolor or tiranga symbolizes our national freedom and unity. Then it consists of a rectangular shape, the national flag, and also there are 3 rectangular bands with different colors. First of all, on the top it is saffron, it is a symbol for sacrifice. Then second one in the middle it is white, it is a symbol for truth and peace. Then at the bottom we can see green color, it is a symbol for what? Green color, it is a symbol for prosperity. Okay. Then on the middle portion we can see there is a wheel of Dharma or Dharma Chakra, that is called the Ashoka Chakra. The Ashoka Chakra consists of 24 spokes. The Ashoka Chakra consists of 24 spokes. These 24 spokes gives the continuous growth of our country. It gives the continuous growth of our country. It shows the continuous growth of our country. Then we learned about our national emblem. This is our national emblem. The lion's capital of Ashoka is our national emblem. In the national emblem, we can see the 4 lions standing back to back in a circular base. So, the lions is a symbol of power, pride, confidence and courage. Power, pride, confidence and courage. Then there are another 4 animals we can see on the lion capital of Ashoka or the national emblem, that is an elephant, a bull, a horse, then a lion. These are the other 4 animals we can see on the national emblem. We can see on the national emblem. Okay. Then a word also written on the bottom of our national emblem, that is called Satyameva Jayate. What is the meaning of the word Satyameva Jayate? Truth alone triumph. Truth alone triumph. Okay. Next one, national anthem. Next one, national anthem. This is our national anthem. Yes, Jana Gena Mana. This is our national anthem. Jana Gena Mana. Jana Gena Mana is our national anthem. Jana Gena Mana is our national anthem. Who is the writer of our national anthem? Yes, Gurudev Rabindranath Tagore. Gurudev Rabindranath Tagore. Rabindranath Tagore is the writer of our national anthem. Rabindranath Tagore. It should take 52 seconds to sing. 52 seconds to sing the national anthem. attention whenever the national anthem is being played. Whenever the national anthem being played. So we should stand up in attention. We should stand up in attention whenever the national anthem being played. In this way, in that way, we can show the respect to our national anthem. This is our national anthem. Yes, Jana Gana Mana is our national anthem. Who is the writer of our national anthem? Gurudev Ravindranath Tagore was the writer of our national anthem. Then it should take 52 seconds to sing the national anthem. Then we know about to sing the national anthem. It takes 52 seconds. Then next one, in which way we should can show our respect to our national anthem? By standing up in attention. By standing up in attention, we can show the respect to our national anthem. Next one, national song. Which is our national song? Which is our national song? Yes, Vande Mataram. Vande Mataram is our national song. Which is our national song? Yes, Vande Mataram. Vande Mataram. Vande Mataram is our national song. Which is our national song? Vande Mataram. Then who is the writer of how is the writer of Vande Mataram? Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay. Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay. Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay. Okay. Then, why the Vande Mataram was used by freedom fighters and the common people during the freedom struggle against the British rule. The Vande Mataram was widely used by freedom fighters and the common people during the freedom struggle against the British rule, against the British rule. Next one, national animal. Which is the national animal? Yes, tiger. We know. Which is the national animal? Tiger. Tiger. Which is the national animal of India? Yes, we know that it is tiger. Tiger is the national animal of India. Then, why the tiger symbolizes bravery and strength? The tiger indicates or it symbolizes strength and bravery. Strength. Strength and bravery. Tiger symbolizes the strength and bravery. Then the number of tigers in India have become very less due to their hunting. A government program called the Tiger Project. Project Tiger was started to protect the tiger. Which was the project put forward by our government to protect our tiger? Yes, Project Tiger. Which was the project? Which was the program? Project Tiger. Project Tiger to protect our tiger. Why? Because it is the number of tigers in India have become less due to their hunting. So our government put forward a program to protect our tigers. That is Project Tiger. That is Project Tiger. Next one, national bird. Next one, national animal. Then national bird. Next one, national bird. This is our national bird. Yes, peacock. Peacock. Peacock is our national bird. This is our national bird. Peacock is the national bird of India. Peacock is the national bird of India. Then it is known for its beauty. Why peacock is considered as a national bird? Because it is known for its beauty. Then the peacock is found in almost every part of our country. Peacock is found in almost every part of our country. So once again, it is the national bird of India, peacock. It is the national bird of India, peacock. Then next one, national tree. What is the national tree of India? What is the national tree of India? Yes, banyan tree. Banyan tree. Banyan tree is the national tree of India. Banyan tree is the national tree of India. Then the banyan tree is a huge structure and it have deep roots. Then it is symbolizes the unity of our country. The banyan tree symbolizes the unity of our country. Unity of our country. It symbolizes the unity of our country. Banyan tree. It is the national tree of our country. Yes, banyan tree. Banyan tree is the national tree of our country. Then it symbolizes the unity of our country. It symbolizes the unity of our country. Then next one, national flower. What is the national flower? Yes, lotus. Very good. It is. Which is the national flower? Yes, lotus. Lotus is the national flower. Lotus. Lotus is the national flower. Lotus is the national flower. Then it symbolizes the dignity and purity. Dignity and purity. Purity and dignity. Purity and dignity. Dignity. Purity and dignity. National flower. What is the national flower? Lotus. Lotus is our national flower. What is the national flower? Lotus. Lotus is our national flower. It symbolizes the dignity and purity. It symbolizes the dignity and purity. Next one, national river. Next one, national river. What is the national river? What is the national river? Yes, the national river of India is the Ganga. Ganga is a national river. The holy river Ganga. Ganga is the national river of India. And also it is the longest river of our country. It is also considered as the holy river. Holy river, then it is the longest river of our country and also it is the national river of Ganga. Next one, national fruit. This is our national fruit. Yes, mango. Mango is our national fruit. It is a national fruit. Yes, mango. Mango is our national fruit. Okay, then there are 100 varieties of mangoes are present in our country in different size, shape, color and taste. Okay, then next is national currency symbol. National currency symbol. Which is our national currency symbol? Yes, symbol of the national currency symbol of the Indian rupee. Which is the national currency symbol? Yeah, national currency symbol is considered as national currency symbol is considered as like this. Okay, it's a national currency symbol. National currency symbol. National currency symbol. Then rupee, Indian rupee. Okay. Then so these are in our lesson our national symbols. Once again we will revise our national symbols. But our national flag, which is the national flag, is our national symbol. National flag is also known as Tiranga or tricolor. It consists of a rectangular shape. Then there are three rectangular bands we can see. On the top it is saffron, on the middle it is white, on the bottom it is green. On the top it is saffron, it is a symbol for what? Sacrifice. Then white is a symbol for truth and peace. Then green is the symbol for prosperity. On the middle we can see is the wheel of Dharma or Dharma Chakra. That is called Ashoka Chakra. It consists of 24 spokes. That spokes gives or it shows the continuous growth of our country. Next one, national emblem. National emblem is the lion capital of Ashoka. National emblem is our lion capital of Ashoka. It consists of 4 Asiatic lions standing back to back in a circular base. Then it symbolizes the pride, power, courage and confidence. Then we can see 4 other animals on the national emblem, that is an elephant, a bull, a horse and a lion. Then a word also written on the circular base of the national emblem, that is called Satyameva Jayate. What is the meaning of the word Satyameva Jayate? Truth alone triumphs. Okay. Then we learn about our national anthem. Which is our national anthem? Jana Gana Mana. It should take 52 seconds to sing our national anthem. Then who is the writer of our national anthem? Gurudev Ravindranath Tagore was the writer of our national anthem. Then in which way we should give respect to our national anthem? Yes, we should stand up in attention whenever the national anthem being played. Okay. Then next we learn about national song. Which is our national song? Vande Mataram. Who is the writer of our national song? Yes, Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay is the writer of our national song Vande Mataram. Yes, Vande Mataram is widely used by the freedom fighters and the common people during the freedom struggle against the British rule. Next we learn about our national animal. This is our national animal tiger. So the number of tigers in India are less due to their hunting. So our government put a program forward for saving the tigers, that is Project Tiger. So next one, which is the national bird, peacock. Why peacock is selected as our national bird? Because due to its beauty. So all over the world, all over the country, we can see our national bird. Next, our national tree. Which is our national tree? Banyan tree. Banyan tree is our national tree. Next one, our national flower. Which is our national flower? Lotus. Why? Lotus is considered as our national flower, or it symbolizes purity and dignity of our nation or our country. Next one, national river. Which is the national river of India? Ganga. And also Ganga is the holiest river and also it is the longest river in our country. Then we learn about our national fruit. Which is our national fruit? Yes, mango. Mango is our national fruit. Then there are different varieties of mangoes present in our country in different states, different size, different shape, different color. Okay. Then the national currency symbol. We know the national currency symbol. We use Indian rupee. So our lesson is over. Then we should once again revise our exercise portion. The color in our national flag are saffron, white and green color. The Ashoka Chakra, which is in the middle of our national flag, has how many spokes? 24 spokes. The lions in our emblem stand for power, confidence, pride and courage. The tigers in India are protected by a program called Project Tiger. The dash is the national fruit of India. Which is the national fruit of India? Mango. The dash color in our national flag is a symbol of sacrifice. The dash color, yes, green color. Our national emblem has 4 dash standing back to back on a circular base. Asian lions. Okay. Then the holy river dash is our national river, Ganga. The currency of India is called rupee. The currency of India is called rupee. Next, match the column. National anthem. National anthem. Who is the writer of national anthem? Yes, Gurudev Ravindranath Tagore. National song. Who is the writer of national song? Yes, Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay. Vande Mataram. National emblem, lion, capital of Ashoka. National animal, tiger. National bird, peacock. National tree, banyan. Next, answer the following questions. Describe our national flag. We know our national flag is known as Tiranga or Tricolor. It consists of saffron at the top, then white at the middle, then green at the bottom. Then saffron is the symbol for sacrifice, white is a symbol for peace and truth, then green is a symbol for prosperity. How should one show respect to the national anthem? We should stand up in attention whenever the national anthem be played. Then who wrote our national song? Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay. Who wrote the national anthem of India? Gurudev Rabindranath Tagore. What is the meaning of the Sanskrit word Satyameva Jayate inscribed in our national emblem? Truth alone triumphs. Truth alone triumphs. Then complete the details to make your country's display card. My country, my pride. Name of my country? India. Capital of my country? Which is the capital of India? New Delhi. Where we are known as Indians. Its national symbols are national animal, national flag, national currency, national tree. All these we learned already. So you should write the names here to make a display card. Then, okay. Then we know that our lesson is over. So students, you should revise more and more times your lessons one by one. So we should until next we should ready for appear our second terminal examination. So you should revise. Okay, I think all of you understood very well about this lesson, our national symbols. So if you have any doubt, ask me for your doubts. Okay, then all of you understood. I hope all are understood very well. So let's wind up the class. Then all are study well. Okay, thank you.